Inside this video topic, we'll discuss a very interesting concept, and that is how to integrate the CK editor inside our React application. Let's go back to browser. So as we know that inside our previous video, we have created some layouts that basically we use inside this headless application. So here we have like list post layout, then here we have add post layout, which is containing some form input fields, and here we have edit post layout. So the thing is that we can see that inside this form, like here we have the content, or inside this form, here we have a content section. Now this content field right now is containing a simplest text area. But I want to make the simplest text area into a rich text area so that we'll have multiple options to format all the content what basically we enter inside this text area. So the question is how to convert a simplest text area into a CK editor. This whole concept we'll discuss inside this complete video. Before going further, I only request you to please hit the like button to give us a thumbs up to this interesting course, and please do subscribe so that I will be creating such type of amazing and interesting courses for you. Now next, let's go back to project editor. So inside last video, inside this app.js file, here we have the component called postlist. Now let's go and open postlist.jsx, and remember, on the basis of some state variables, here we have the condition to load our add post model and edit post model. So first thing first, I will fix or I will convert a simplest text area or integrate CK editor inside this add post model. So to open this component file, simply we have to go inside this post model folder, and here we have add post model.jsx. And inside this file, we can see that here we have all form input fields. Like here we have the title, then here we have the category, like here we have the content, featured media image, and a status, and here we have our buttons. So what we want to convert the simplest text area like the content section to a CK editor. So to work with CKEditor, first thing first, we have to install a node dependency. It means a npm package inside this application. So what basically the package is, let's go to project terminal, close this development server. So here npm install, or simply I can type also I here for install. So npm install at the rate, then here it will be called CKEditor / it will be CKEditor 5 hyphen react. This is the package name. So once we type this package name, hit enter, and now we can see that our installation process started. So we need to wait for a while, and successfully it has added 68 packages into our application. And one more package we want here. So npm install at the rate CKEditor / CKEditor 5. It will be classic hyphen editor, not class editor, it will be classic editor. Hit enter, and here we can see that here we are getting some error, that is package not found, obviously because we typed a wrong package name. It will be npm install at the rate CKEditor / then here we have CKEditor 5 hyphen build hyphen classic. This was our package name. So once we type this one, hit enter, and now we can see that successfully we have added one more package into our node application. So if I go into a project editor, then I will open our package.json file. And inside this, it's a dependencies. Now we can see two more packages, that is React here. Classic editor means CK editor, CK editor 5 hyphen React, CK editor 5 build classic. So once we install these packages, now let's go and open our add post model. And here at the top of this file, before this function, so here it will be import CKEditor, and it will come from CKEditor / CKEditor 5 hyphen React package. Then after that, import classic editor, and it will come from the second package that we have installed, that is build classic. So once we import these lines, let's copy the CKEditor. I will copy, go into a text area. So here it is inside this content section. Let's remove first, and here in place of text area, simply CKEditor. And if I save these changes, let's go back to browser. close this one first. Let's reload. And I think that we have to start development server as well. So npm run dev, hit enter, start it. So if I click on this add post, and here inside this content section, it is completely missing because this time we have replaced our text area with classic editor. Let's go and inspect one more time. Go inside this, and here I will go here inside the CKEditor. Let's add one more attribute, and it will be something called editor. And here we have the classic editor that is coming from a second package. Remember, here we have imported. So this classic editor should be used inside this editor attribute. Save these changes. So if I go and let's reload one more time, click on add post. And now we can see that inside this content section, now in place of simplest text area, now we are getting a rich text area. We can see that a drop down which is containing some input elements of like HTML, like paragraph, H1, H2, and H3. And here we have multiple formatting options. So this is the way that how to convert a simplest text area into a rich text area. Now I want also a default content inside this editor, inside this CK editor. So what I will do, simply I'll go here, let's create a variable. So const, I will call it as editor content equals to, and let's put that this is a default content. This is a default content. Let's copy this variable name. Then I will go here inside this CK editor. Let's add one more attribute called data. And inside here, simply paste that variable name. If I save these changes, and now we can see that automatically we can see that inside the CK editor, here we have the default content, what basically we put inside this add new post model. And now next, in the same way, we want the CK editor. Now in place of this content section of this edit post model, now it's very simple. Let's go back to our project editor. So I will open our second model, that is edit post model. Go at the top of this function, and here it is. So after installation of packages, let's say import, first we have to import CKEditor from first package, and second import it will be classic editor from second installed package. Let's copy the CKEditor, then I will scroll, go at the content section. Let's remove first this text area, successfully removed. Then here CKEditor, and let's add editor attribute, so editor, and here it will be classic editor. So if I save these changes, let's go and reload this page. I'll then click on this edit button, and now successfully we can see that here we have the content text area inside this edit post model. Now in case if we want something default content here, it's again very simple. Let's go here again, create a new variable, something called const default content equals to, this is a default content for edit screen. Let's copy the variable name, save these changes, and then I will go and add one more attribute called data and put our variable name. Save these changes. So now you can see that automatically that content now populated inside this CK editor. So successfully, now this is the simplest way that how to integrate CK editor inside our React application. Now let's meet to next amazing video. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.